Hello everyone, my name is Harshi. In this video, I'm going to talk about regular and irregular verbs. There are so many regular verbs. There are so many regular verbs. Act, acted, acted. Big, big, big. Tight, tight, tight. Behaved, behaved, behaved. Ended, ended. Those are regular verbs. There are so many regular verbs. Follow, followed, followed. Jump, jump, jumped. Ordered, ordered, ordered. Paint, painted, painted. Turn, turn, turned. Those are regular verbs. There are so many regular verbs. Arrived, arrived, arrived. Cheat, cheated, cheated. Trade, traded, traded. Divide, divided, divided. Kick, kick, kick. Those are regular verbs. There are so many regular verbs. Those are regular verbs. There are so many regular verbs. What are regular verbs? Regular verbs in English treat the past simple and past participle by adding ed to the base form. As examples, arrive is the base form and past simple form is arrived. Past participle form also arrived. Call is the base form and past simple form is called. Past participle form also called. Wait is the base form and past simple form is waited. And past participle form also waited. So, the regular verbs in English create the past simple and past participle by adding ed to the base form. Another main point is, if the verb ends in consonant and y, we change the y to in added ed. So, marry is the base form and past simple form is married. Change the y to in added ed. Marry is the base form, past simple form is married and past participle form also married. Study is the base form. Change the y to in added ed. So study become studied. Past participle form also studied. If the verb ends in consonant and y, we change the y to in added ed. Marry become married and married. Study become studied and studied. Another main point is, if the verb ends in e, we simply add d. So hate is the base form and past simple form is hated. Past participle form also hated. Like is the base form and past simple form is liked. And past participle form also liked. If the verb ends in e, we simply add d. Irregular verbs, irregular verbs, irregular verbs, irregular verbs. Go, went, gone, come, came, come, leave, left, left, lie, lay, lane, make, made, made, mean, meant, meet, met, port. Irregular verbs, irregular verbs, irregular verbs, irregular verbs. Read, read, rin, ran, run, rise, rose, risen, run, ran, run, say, said, see, saw, seen, sell, saw, send. Irregular verbs, irregular verbs, irregular verbs, irregular verbs. Sit, sat, stand, stood, tell, tall, tin, thought, write, written. Irregular verbs, irregular verbs, irregular verbs, irregular verbs. What are irregular verbs? Irregular verbs in English create the past simple and past participle in different ways. We do not add ed to the base form. There are about 200 irregular verbs in English. We can divide these into 4 groups. Let's see. Group number 1. Verbs which have the same base form, past simple and past participle form. As example, put, let. Verbs which have the same base form, past simple and past participle form. Group number 2. Verbs which have the same past simple and past participle form. As example, make, made, get, got. Verbs which have the same past simple and past participle form. Group number 3. Verbs which have the same base form and past participle form. As example, come, came, come. Become, became, become. Verbs which have the same base form and same past participle form. Group number 4. Verbs which have the different base form, past simple and past participle form. As example, go, went, gone. Know, knew, know.